everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am doing something very exciting, very special. It is a huge Henri Bendel haul. It's maybe not actually that huge, but it's a Henri Bendel haul. All these bags behind me are from Henri Bendel, and somewhere in this video I will be announcing something very special, so stick around for a surprise that I have for you guys. I think you're really going to like it. So guys, just a disclaimer, by no means am I trying to brag. I debated on making this video, but I wanted to announce something on my channel involved in this video, so that's why I just kind of have to do it. But I'm also really excited about the things I got, and I wanted to share them with you because you guys might want them too. So without further ado, it is time to check out this Henri Bendel haul. Basically, this bag is just honestly just a box. Inside of it, like, there's nothing in this box. I just needed something to store something I bought in, and they forgot to give me a box last time, so that's what's in there. It's a box. Very exciting. Okay, so in this bag, I have two little things. I have two little things right here, and the first one is this. I don't even know which one's which, to be honest with you. Ah, yes. It is this Henri Bendel bracelet, and I'm going to try it on. What I love about this bracelet is it matches my ring perfectly. It's rose gold, and my ring's diamond, but the little rhinestones, like, pretty much match it spot on. Guys, it tightens at the wrist right here, adjustable to your wrist size, which I love because I have a very tiny wrist, so it fits perfectly. It's just so dainty and cute, and as you can see, it goes really nicely with my ring, so I had to get it because I've been needing an, like, everyday little bracelet like this that matches my ring. Don't mind the cat scratch on my arm. Story of my life. Anyway, so yes, I love this so much, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. The next item is in this box, and it's something that I've actually been wanting to get. It's a little necktie, and I've been wanting a necktie. I wanted one that was a designer that I liked, and I loved the stripes on this, so I went with this one. It's so cute. I kind of get like flight attendant vibes, but I kind of love it at the same time. I don't know, I think it's like really pretty, really chic, and you could tie it onto a handbag as well. And this bag that is bursting at the seams, it's time to open you. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is my favorite bag that I'm opening today. Very excited about everything in here. Okay, so I don't know why this is the only one with tissue paper. I really don't understand, but the tissue paper is so cute, you guys. It has like all these like buildings in like New York. Like, how adorable. We love. I tried to dress in theme, but this is black and the details brown, so it just, I don't know. I tried. I'm gonna open this one first. It's the smaller item. Still very excited about this though. Something that I actually have been needing. It is this Henri Bendel fanny pack, belt bag, whatever you want to call it. I call them belt bags. I love this so much, you guys. I really wanted the Gucci belt bag, but I would not spend that money on a belt bag personally because I feel like this is more of a trendy item. I wanted something in the same style that was made nicely with real leather, and honestly, this is perfect. It kind of reminds me of the Chanel ones, being that there's like chain like this, and the quilting, it just gives me Chanel and Gucci vibes. I don't know. The Henri Bendel symbol reminds me of how there's like a Gucci, I don't know. Whatever. It's perfect. It's exactly what I needed. So the reason I say needed is because every single time I go to the airport, which is probably 6 or so times a year that I fly, every time I am struggling to get stuff out of my backpack, so I keep it in my camera bag. My carry-on is my backpack, and then my camera bag is my personal item, so I can't carry a purse as well. And it makes it very difficult in the airport, so I thought that having a fanny pack around my waist would make it a lot easier for me to get out my passport and my ID and things like that, and I can just take it off while I'm in line to go through security and stuff like that. I love this very much, and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of it And then it's also just great whenever you go on like a big shopping trip and you don't want to take a handbag that you're gonna like lug around along with clothes. It gives you a hands-free shopping experience. Love that as well. So definitely a very useful bag. I believe this was $250, so if you guys wanted to know how much that was, and I did not tell you guys how much the other items were, so let me clarify real quickly. This scarf is $48, and the bracelet, I know off the top of my head, is $118. The next item, oh my gosh, you guys. I actually opened this bag in a different video that is either already uploaded or is going to be uploaded. This is something I have been wanting for a few years now, but I hadn't found the right one. I'm going to explain the whole entire story after I show you guys this absolutely gorgeous red handbag. Oh my gosh, I can't handle it. It's so, so beautiful, and I love this bag so much. For the past couple of years, I have been wanting it just feels so nice. For the past couple of years, I have been wanting a red handbag for the winter that I can wear with like white and black and like really make my Christmas outfits pop. I did not know a bag that I wanted. Like, I wasn't set on a style, and I really liked the idea of a red Chanel bag, but I feel like spending that kind of money on a red handbag just isn't very practical in a sense. Like, I would rather spend the money on like a more simplistic, like everyday bag, if that makes sense. I wanted something that was kind of compact, so if I'm traveling with it, it doesn't take up a lot of room in my suitcase. And I also wanted something that would definitely just make a statement and be a nice quality bag. I didn't want to get like a Forever 21 red bag for fun. I wanted the material to be nice because this is something I do want to use for a while, but it's not a year-round bag. So, after my long rant, I came across this bag, which is literally just like a Chanel bag, but it reminds me of a combination of the boy bag. The gunmetal chain reminds me a lot of the Chanel boy bag, but the actual like makeup of the bag itself reminds me of a classic flap bag. So I really liked the combination of both of those styles, and honestly the quality is literally up there. Like, it feels so like nicely made. This is really like thick and sturdy, and it's just so nice. If you can't afford a Chanel bag, I would say this is your best bet. I believe this one is around, oh gosh, how much is it? So guys, this bag is $398, which I think is a great deal for a bag of this quality and this style and just everything. I don't know, I didn't own a Henri Bendel bag before this, so it's very exciting that I finally own one. I want this in black as well, honestly. Like, it's so beautiful, and I love Henri Bendel, so very, very, very pleased. Well, it is time for the surprise. So, inside of this bag is a gift, which I had wrapped for you guys. I got you guys a little something from Henri Bendel's. So I'm doing a giveaway for Christmas, and this is something that I want to be a surprise. So I had it wrapped, so you guys don't know what it is, but you know it's from Henri Bendel, and I hope you guys are interested. This is my way of saying thank you for supporting me all year round, and I really appreciate every single one of you, and every single comment, and every single like, and follow, and subscribe that you guys give me. So this giveaway is going on my YouTube and my Instagram. So to enter this giveaway, you guys need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You need to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. There's going to be a post on my Instagram of Henri Bendel bags, and it's going to be in front of my Christmas tree. So I will put the picture on the screen actually to make it easier for you guys. But this picture, you guys are going to share to your Instagram story, and also in the comment section tag 2 friends. And then you're going to come back to this video and leave your Instagram handle in the comments down below so I can make sure that you guys are following me and actually participating fully in the giveaway. So that is what you guys have to do. It'll be my way of being able to check and know that you guys are entered. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys so much, and thank you for all your support, and I hope you guys have a very happy holiday to everyone who's celebrating whatever holiday you're celebrating, even if you're not celebrating. I just hope that you have a very happy new year as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will like and subscribe and stick around, and hopefully 2019 will be an even better, bigger year. I love you guys so very much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!